Hey everybody, welcome to this episode of Hands on Science.
Hey, Carr.
Hey Mel. So today I have something really cool to show you.
All right.
So this is
Newspaper.
an ordinary piece of newspaper.
Okay.
And this is just a paint stir stick that you get from Ace to mix
okay.
up your paint. This is all we need for this activity. So I'm going to ask you to hold on to this paper.
Okay.
Is that heavy?
It's very light.
It's very light. It does have weight to it, but it's pretty light, right? Okay, so now I have a challenge for you.
All right.
I'm going to take this paint stick and I'm going to place it on the end of the table. And I'm going to put this piece of newspaper on that paint stick. So I want you to use one finger and I want you to hit the end of this stick, and your job is to try and take this newspaper and flip it off the table. You think you can do that?
Sure.
Okay. Was that hard or was that easy?
Easy, because the paper was easy.
Super easy, because was that paper heavy?
Nope.
No, it was pretty light.
Newspaper is light.
So that's the exact same piece of newspaper.
Okay.
This is an identical paint mixing
Okay.
stick. Here's the difference. We're going to open this up.
It's okay.
Okay, so
it's bigger.
the size of the paper hasn't changed, so the weight of the paper hasn't changed, right? Okay. So what I'm going to ask you to do on your side is kind of smooth it out. We want to get all the little air bubbles and air pockets out of it as possible. Okay?
Okay.
As much of that. So now, same challenge to take this piece of paper, flip it off the table by hitting the stick just with one finger. Okay?
Actually, it's not going, and I'm actually hitting it.
It's not as easy as it seems,
no, it's
right?
not. What happened?
Well, what do you guys think happened? Why is it so much harder to flip this piece of paper off when it's spread out like this than when it was folded up? Leave us a comment, let us know what you think and why this works. If you loved this activity as much as we did, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye, guys.